just exploded! Hot burning rock is flying everywhere! The ground is shaking! Lava is flowing like a giant river of fire! But why does this happen? How does a mountain explode? Stay right there, because in the next 5 minutes, you are going to find out everything about volcanoes. Let's go! Okay, so first things first. Have you ever seen a boiled egg? The outside is hard, but the inside is soft and warm. Our Earth is exactly like that. The outside part where we live is called the crust, hard and solid. We walk on it every single day. But deep, deep inside the Earth, oh boy, completely different story. As we go deeper inside the Earth, it gets hotter and hotter and hotter. So hot that rocks actually melt. Can you believe that? Rocks melting! When rocks melt deep inside Earth, we call it magma. Say it with me. Magma. Magma is super hot liquid rock. It glows bright orange and red, just like fire. Now here is where things get really interesting. Magma is always moving around inside the Earth, pushing and squeezing. Like when you squeeze toothpaste. It has to go somewhere, right? Magma does the exact same thing. It keeps pushing up and up and up, looking for a way to get out. And sometimes it finds a weak spot in the ground, a crack, a thin area. And when it finds that spot, kaboom! The magma shoots out with a called Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. How absolutely incredible! So today we learned rocks melt inside Earth and become magma. Magma pushes up and explodes out as lava. That explosion is a volcano. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to 5-Minute Wonders for more amazing science. Comment below. What should we explore next time? See you in the next video. Bye-bye, kids!